do something a little different today. We are going to make popcorn shaker mix. Yep, that's right. I have a best friend. Her son absolutely loves this. So I'm making it and I'm gifting it to them. So they love hot stuff. And she asked me when I was going to make another batch, and I said, geez, I don't know. I said, I guess I could make one. I had made a big batch at Christmas time and gave it to her. And so I thought, well, why not? I might share my recipe with everybody and you might like it. And actually I got this out of many years ago, I got it out of the big book of Preserving the Harvest. And it's called Popcorn Shaker Mix. I was surprised I liked it. Ray, you know, he's very particular, not so much with him. But this is what you need. You need 1/4 cup of ground cumin, 3 tablespoons of dried oregano. I used oregano from our garden, and 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper or less to taste. You want to combine the ingredients and then you want to pour it in a shaker. Sprinkle over hot buttered popcorn. Oh, I love the extra butter popcorn. Oh, so good. This will keep for 6 weeks in a cool, dark place. Keep tightly sealed and it yields a 1/2 cup. So, doesn't this sound yummy? I was going to make some popcorn, but Mr. R didn't tell me we didn't have any. He's been ahead of the house here for the last 8 weeks. I try to have him write things down, but that doesn't always work out. So I've got everything here, and I'm gonna pan you down so you can see what's going on. Okay, here we are, and you need a funnel, and you need a mason jar or a shaker jar. I'm going to use a mason jar, and I have one of these ball flip top shakers, and that's usually what I gift it in. I put it in here. This is oregano from my garden that I'm using today. Really yummy stuff. I'm using cayenne pepper, and I am using cumin. If you can see that, how my lighting is in the kitchen here at the table. And here's all the ingredients right here. You need a bowl, a whisk, a fork, a spoon, and you want a funnel because you want to put that right just like that when you pour. Now I've got these measured out already. So we're going to do the cumin right here, 1/4 cup. This will all be down in the descriptions below. 3 tablespoons of dried oregano. Oh, you can only smell that oregano. It smells so good. And 1 tablespoon of cayenne or less, cayenne pepper. Just like that. And then I got a whisk, and you just want to whisk it around. You want to work it. Oh, it smells really so good. Can you imagine this when your popcorn's hot and buttery and you sprinkle this over it? Talk about pop. Good. So good. This is great too to have when you're having a party and people grab warm popcorn, and they can you can put this out on your place that you're serving popcorn. And some people have one of those hot popcorn makers, and it just comes out like when you go to the store to buy popcorn. Back in when the Woolworth stores, the 5 and dime stores used to sell popcorn and peanuts. Get it hot like that. And that's all you do is you stir it really well, just like that. It's got a good color, and boy, if there was only smell vision. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? So then what we're going to do is we're going to take our jar. This is a pint-sized jar. And we're going to put a funnel in. And I'm just going to guide this in. Just like this. It's going to go into the jar. I'll have to have Ray go down and get the small shakers. We have, sometimes I make double batch of this, or you can just make a quarter of a batch. But I do have a small shaker. I may shaker jar, I just may get that. I always get extra because I never know how things are gonna work for me, and I don't wanna have to get up. Okay, so then put it in the jar. I'm gonna shake it with my good hand and arm here. Shake it just like this. And then, when you want it, I'll give you a little demo here. Say this was popcorn. You could just sprinkle it on, just like that. Sorry, using my bad arm, so it's hard for me. But that's all there is to it. And there you go. It is your popcorn shaker mix. And boy, it's got a pop, it's good, it's strong, got great flavor. So I hope you try this because it is very yummy. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. Keep the faith. Keep the hope. Stay safe. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye now.